In the last 2 years, we've noticed a significant increase in the number of inquiries from US citizens considering immigrating to Canada. In this video, I'll primarily focus on the express entry route, which is utilized by the majority of our clients to apply for Canadian permanent residency. Under the current express entry point allocation system, immigrants without a Canadian degree and over the age of 30 generally need to either receive a positive labor market impact assessment or work in Canada for at least a year and have a permanent offer of employment to gain sufficient points to apply for permanent residency. US citizens benefit from specific work permit streams under the Canada, United States and Mexico Free Trade Agreement, known as CUSMA, as well as the close cultural and economic ties between the countries, which streamline the application process. I'll briefly address some of the key programs we use in helping our US clients obtain work authorization and subsequently apply for Canadian permanent residency. I'll begin with the CUSMA specific categories. The CUSMA Professional is probably the most popular category we work with, and also the simplest in terms of processing. The Professional category allows US citizens with pre-arranged Canadian employment that falls within the 60 or so professional occupation list provided for in the treaty to apply for a work permit at a port of entry. After 1 year of work, in addition to gaining Canadian work experience points, the individual may also obtain arranged employment points, which in most cases are sufficient to receive an invitation to apply for permanent residency via express entry. We also regularly utilize the CUSMA Intra-company transfer category. This category allows executives and senior managers, as well as workers with specialized knowledge, to be transferred from the United States to Canada. The pathway towards permanent residency is generally similar to that under the CUSMA Professional category. CUSMA also contains investor and trader work permit categories, which afford a somewhat streamlined application process, but do not necessarily help with the transition to permanent residency. As such, these programs should be utilized strategically. Outside of CUSMA, we routinely assist with work permit applications under the C11 category, which can be utilized by entrepreneurs or self-employed individuals whose work in Canada will generate a significant cultural or economic benefit. We also routinely assist with LMIA applications under the general as well as owner-operator streams. In some cases, a positive LMIA is sufficient to gain enough points to receive an invitation to apply for Canadian permanent residency. When it comes to professional athletes as well as those employed in arts and culture, we're able to submit permanent residency application directly without having to first obtain a work permit. And we routinely utilize the self-employed artist or athlete stream with our US clients. There are also numerous provincial nomination streams that our US clients should consider. In short, there are many options available to US citizens who are considering immigrating to Canada. Contact our office today in order to set up a consultation and let us guide you towards permanent residency.